dedication with which he teaches his students is amazing.
Hello friends, good evening.
Good evening.
And everyone was coming on the stage and speaking one by one. At that point I decided that I will join VIP Academy.
Our sir teaches us many life lessons and proverbs too.
If you will join VIP, I can definitely say you will get a result beyond any doubt.
Because of VIP Academy, I can able to understand and speak with her confidently. The teaching style of our Andy sir is very unique because Andy sir teaches English with great memory techniques. After completing this course, I am able to speak English fluently.
And our Andy Prajapati sir teach RMS, RMC and how to play drama and many lessons of life.
Pneumona ultramicroscopic silica volcano cornesis.
The way of teaching our sir is something different, that you will feel motivated and you will always feel like that I have to go today.
There are also weekly tests on Saturday which help the students to analyze themselves, and also they can get to know where they are lacking and where they need to improve.
When I joined VIP Academy and after attending the PD workshop, I have realized that everyone should have at least 2 goals in their life.
Teaching is immaterial, but the way Andy sir teaches, that is something which I like the most. Before joining classes, I could not speak English, but after joining class, I can speak English fluently.
I asked my father, how can you speak English very fluently? Did you join any academy? My father said, yes, I joined VIP Academy for learning English.
My course is not over yet, but now I am able to speak English very confidently.
I finally decided to join VIP Academy. And now I am happy. I feel happy that it was my right decision.
First time in India, English is taught with Memotech, and that academy's name is VIP Academy.
And I would recommend you guys, please join VIP if you want to become a successful person in every area of your life.
कि साहब मजो आतो नहीं, मजो लेनो पड़तो है. मजो आतो नहीं, मजो मतलब मजा आवती नहीं, मजा.
Okay, so hello, good evening everyone.
Good evening.
My name is Krishna Chawda.
And my name is Mihir Shah.
Okay, so before starting, one शायरी. Okay?
Okay.
Ready? कुछ पल की मुलाकात थी, कुछ लम्हों की बात थी. कुछ पल की मुलाकात थी, कुछ लम्हों की बात थी. दिल से दिल तक जो डोर थी, वो कुछ खास थी. आज विदा होकर भी दूर ना हो पाएंगे, हम दुआओं में सिर्फ तुम्हें ही पाएंगे. Okay, so let's start our program. But before starting, as per our tradition, let's ready for our prayer.
विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना.
Do you know, friends, why we are here?
Okay, let me tell you guys, I am very happy to tell you that our sir, Mr. Andy Prajapati, the director of VIP Academy, has organized this farewell function. So please give a big hands to our sir.
So do you know, guys, 1 month before a PD workshop sir has organized?
Yes.
I hope you all are enjoyed that PD workshop.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
And I can definitely say that our sir, Mr. Andy Prajapati, is always ready for the development of each and every student.
Yes, Mihir, you are totally right. So let's start our main program. But before starting, one शायरी. One.
Yes.
आज की शाम है कुछ खास, आपके साथ का है एहसास. आपके साथ रहा तो मंच भी चमकेगा, हर पल आपकी मौजूदगी में ये मंच भी महकेगा.
Wow! Okay, so now let's start our program. So now let's invite Abha Trivedi for the speech.
Yay! Have a big hand for her.
Good evening.
Good evening.
So first we introduce myself. My name is Abha Trivedi and I am 33 years old and I have joined VIP Academy for learning English, and unluckily today is my last day. But you know, full stop is not is the end of the sentence. It's the beginning of the new sentence. So I am married and my husband is doing job in Ahmedabad, and my hobby is cooking, but I also like spending time with my family and learning new skills, and I want to become a successful person in my life. Now I am going to share with you my experience with VIP Academy, that how wonderful it was. So are you interested to listen to me?
Yes.
Okay. So English is our international language, and it connects online world as people in India work together and speak and talk across the India, and so we need a common language to do this, and that is English. And I am from Hindi medium, and because of my poor English I lost many global opportunity to teach other countries student, and they were offering me high salary for that post. So that time I realized that I should improve my English, and my husband also suggested me to join any English speaking classes. And in my video I already told about it, that after a lot of efforts I joined VIP Academy. My husband and I rejected 5 institute, and finally I joined VIP Academy. By profession I am a teacher, so I know that we can take a horse to the pond but we can't make it drink water. Means when I joined VIP Academy I knew that my teacher would only show me a path, but I would have to walk on that path. So luckily I found a great teacher like Mr. Andy sir, and no amounts of praise is enough to him. The dedication with which he teaches his students is amazing, and he is not only a great teacher, he is also a great producer, great writer, and also a good man with a kind heart. And the staff of VIP Academy is also so supportive. And I also want to share with all of you that after 10 days of joining VIP Academy, I gave interview for check my English level only for fun, and the interview was for telecaller job, and it was part-time job only for 2 hours. And after my interview on call only for 2 minutes, the interviewer shortlisted me and said that I got impressed by your talking of way and your English. So this is the improvement after joining VIP Academy only after 10 days. So it's very wonderful, yeah. Please clap for me. And I also remembered a line said by sir in Gujarati. I am Rajasthani, but I remembered a line this said by sir in Gujarati, that chalo apne jeevi le. So we have not only completed this course, we have lived this course. So it's my advice to all of you that leave this course with Andy sir. And English is essential nowadays. So sooner or later, if you are going to learn English, then what is the problem is learning now. Thank you very much for listening.
Thank you very much for your wonderful speech, Abha Didi. So please have a big hand for Vastavi. Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
My name is Vastavi Prajapati. I am just 16 years old. I have my 10th completed from Tirupati Vidyalaya in Chandodia. I live at Chandodia in Ahmedabad. I want to become a successful person in my life. But today I would like to share with you my experience with VIP Academy. So before a few months I thought I should do something for improving my English. Then during the 10th summer vacation I joined VIP Academy. Before joining this academy my English was very poor. But in VIP Academy our sir teaches us English with many different ways and memory techniques. That's why now you can see that I am able to speak English easily. Our sir teaches us many life lessons and proverbs too. Among all the proverbs, my favorite proverb is, you can if you believe you can. In VIP Academy, I got really good friends. We all help one another. My experience with VIP Academy is such a memorable one. That's why I will surely recommend my friends and relatives to join VIP Academy for learning English. Thank you very much for listening to me.
So now let's invite our next contestant, Keval.
Hello guys, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Keval Banjar, and today I would like to share my experience with one of the best English speaking academies, means VIP Academy. So our respected Andy sir used to teach us the new proverbs which I liked the most, and my favorite proverb is, nothing is impossible for a determined person. And our sir made us to speak English on stage also. Our sir never disappointed anyone of our class, and
Every time they supported every student of our class. In the beginning, it may seem that speaking English is very hard, but gradually you will come to know that it is not so. In the contrary, it is too much easy. And I would highly recommend each and every person to join VIP. If you will join VIP, I can definitely say you will get a result beyond any doubt. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Thank you very much, Keval, for your wonderful speech.
Let's invite our next participant, Vaidehi.
Whoa, have a big hand for her.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Vaidehi Raval and today I am going to share my experience with you with VIP Academy. So actually my experience with VIP Academy was very special and helpful for me. After completed my 12th, I did not want to study during my vacation, but my mom told me that you should do something. So after some days I realized that this time was very important. So I told my dad and my dad suggested me VIP Academy because he has also learnt in VIP Academy in 2008. So he knew it was the best institute for learning English. So that's why my mom and I went to VIP Academy, and then I got admission in regular English speaking course and I got 35 out of 50 in exam. Now I will tell you, our sir was very friendly and supportive. Because of that, learning was very easy and enjoyable. And in VIP Academy, I also made new friends that we help us each other in homework and everything. Now I will tell you. Actually, I went to university for admission, and the person who take a admission, she only speak on English. But because of VIP Academy, I can able to understand and spoke with her confidently, and I felt very proud on myself. So credit goes to Andy sir. Thank you so much sir for this amazing journey, and thank you VIP Academy. I'm very thankful to turning my vacation into something meaningful and thoughtful. Thank you everyone for listening to me.
Thank you very much, Vaidehi, for your speech.
So now let's invite our next participant, Rohini.
Whoa. Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Rohini Parmar. I am 17 years old. Before 2 months, I joined VIP Academy for learning English. So today I want to share my experience of learning English with VIP Academy. Before joining VIP Academy, I was little nervous about speaking in English. I knew some grammar and vocabulary, but didn't have confidence to speak it fluently. That's when I decided to join VIP Academy. After attending the first lecture in VIP Academy, I felt confident and motivated. The staff and our ND sir were very supportive and friendly. I want to tell you one thing that made VIP Academy different from other, which is its teaching style. The teaching style of our ND sir is very unique because ND sir teaches English with great memory techniques. So it is very useful for every student to use it and remember everything. The best thing in VIP Academy that I like the most, our sir made each and every student to speak on stage. So it creates motivation and confidence among the students. So it is very huge platform for me to express myself. Before 2 months, I didn't have confidence to speak it fluently. But you can see now, I am able to speak confidently in front of you all. The journey with VIP Academy taught me that confidence comes with practice. So now I am able to speak in English. After all the credits goes to Andy Prajapati sir. I learned many things here, like A to B means A can do, so B can do. My favorite proverb is persist until you succeed. It is my favorite proverb. So thank you Naresh sir for teaching me English and helping me in the entire course. Thank you for listening to me.
Thank you very much, Rohini, for your wonderful speech.
So now let's invite Asta.
Hey, a big hand for Asta.
My name is Asta Mistry. I am 15 years old and I want to become a successful person in my life. I was in 10th, and when I finished my 10th, I wanted to learning English. So I asked everyone, and everyone suggested me only one class. I was surprised to hear that VIP Academy. So next day I came here, took admission, and literally before joining VIP Academy I was not able to speak English and write English properly, but now I can. And here at VIP our sir used to call us on the stage for speaking English.
so that our confidence would increase. And you know guys, every day, every time, sir taught us with his beautiful smile. And when we in the morning when we came in class, then sir come every day, so wished a beautiful good morning to us. And after few days, sir organized a PD workshop for us. I remember there sir first time taught us how to play a drama, and since then whenever we played a drama, we felt like a director and played like an actor. We learned not only English, but we learned life lessons. And after completing course, I will miss you friends, and I will also miss our respected Andy sir. Sir, your valuable speech can improve us every time. And in my further studies, I will also apply all memory techniques, all things which I learned at VIP Academy. Thank you very much for this.
Thank you very much, Astha, for your beautiful speech.
So now one Shairi.
So are you ready for Shairi, guys?
Yes. Okay. चलो कुछ अच्छा सोचे, चलो कुछ अच्छा सोचे, कुछ नया करे. जिंदगी थमी नहीं है, बस रफ्तार बढ़ गई है. Okay, so now anyone can guess who's next?
Vidhi.
Vidhi, okay.
Yes, Vidhi.
No, it's not Vidhi. It's our favorite anchor, Krishna.
Okay. So hello, good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
My name is Krishna Chawda. So do you know guys, when my first day in Ahmedabad and also in classes, everything was new for me. New classes, new teachers, new classmates, everything. On my first day I thought it's a normal classes. Nothing special would be there in these classes. But you know guys, when I attended my first lecture, that was unbelievable lecture for me. Unbelievable. I had never seen any classes like this. And after all, VIP Academy is only for VIP person. And our sir taught us lot of things. For example, English with memory techniques, how to play drama on the stage with proper expressions, with proper emotions, and how to speak on the stage with proper confidence. Yes, and after all, end of the words, if you really want to learn English, then I would highly recommend you guys, please join VIP Academy. Thank you everyone.
Now let's invite another person for whom you are waiting. So let's invite Vidhi.
Vidhi, have a big hand for her.
So hello guys, good evening.
Good evening.
So my name is Vidhi Panchan and today I am going to share my experience with VIP Academy. My experience at VIP Academy was very special. After completing my 12th, I thought I should learn something new in the vacation. So I felt that my English was not good. So I decided I must learn English speaking. So I discussed the same with my auntie. I want to learn English speaking. So she gave me the address of VIP Academy because her daughter had also learned English speaking there. So next day my father and I came to VIP Academy, and after that I took admission in this academy. On the first day, Andy sir gave his introduction and he asked us some question and taught us how to give an introduction. He also made us write one proverb every day, and he also used to one or two speaking topics every day. And sir also organized a personality development workshop for us, where we were taught new techniques and our confidence level increased. After completing this course, I am able to speak English fluently. Our confidence level and boosted up a lot, and now I can speak English in front of everyone without any hesitation. This credit for this goes to Mr. Andy sir, and thank you so much sir, giving us many memory techniques and teaching us new things. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Vidhi, for your amazing speech. Have a big hand for her.
So if you want to do anything in your life, the only one thing you need is jigar. So let's invite jigar.
Yes, have a big hand for him.
Hello guys, good evening.
Good evening.
Today I am gonna sing 20 RMS. The full form of RMS is ready-made sentences. So can I start?
Yes.
What can I do for you, sir? May I help you, sir? This is not fair. I shall never forget your kindness. Who is stopping you? I did not do it purposely. I did not accept this from you. Why don't you understand? When shall we meet? Where shall we meet? Don't act too smart. Don't try to make me a fool. Did I ask you any harm to you? I will show you. I don't want any excuse. How much did this mobile cost you? Don't poke your dirty nose in between. Don't show me your dirty face at all. And our Andy Prajapati sir teach RMS, RMC and how to play drama and many lessons of life. So please put your hands for Andy Prajapati sir. And I am very thankful to Andy Prajapati sir for teaching this amazing English.
So now our next participant is one of the person. Because of her, everybody laughs in class, and
She is the heart of our class.
and she's
And
really
her
good.
attitude is very positive.
She's always kind and she always ready to learn anything. So let's invite Rajvi.
So, hello friends, good evening.
Good evening.
So, my name is Rajvi Rathod and I am 17 years old and I was completed my English classes from VIP Academy and today is our last day. So, I am going to share my experience with VIP Academy. Before joining VIP Academy, I could not understand English, though English is my most favorite subject. I got 91 marks out of 100, but you know guys, all this was crammed. I mean without understanding. I felt this is not fair and I wanted to learn English. During my 10th vacation, I thought I joined an English classes and finally I joined the best classes and the name of the class is VIP Academy. And everything was fine in the beginning, but after a few days, I thought this is so difficult. But our sir taught us amazing memory technique, A to B memory technique. If we can do everything, so A can also do everything. So thus my self-confidence grew. And our sir also taught us TVS memory technique. Whenever I see vehicle from the TVS company, I remember this memory technique. And the 4 plus verb ing is very easy and most useful memory technique. Whenever I saw my favorite TV program and I listen this verse, thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for coming with me. And I can remember this memory technique. And yes guys, I have learned the longest word in my life, in first time in my life, and now I still remember pneumona ultramicroscopic silica volcanoconiosis, and I am so glad because I learned this longest spelling. Before joining VIP, I had stage fear, but now I have not stage fear, and I have learned so many things guys, I can't tell you in a one day. And but whatever I have learned is all for the best. My most favorite proverb is this: you can if you believe you can. And guys, this is not only proverb. Whenever you feel you can't do anything, so please just remember this proverb and believe me, you can do anything. Now I don't want to waste your time. Remember my words, not me. Thank you so much for listening to me. And I'm very proud of myself because I'm student of fear. Thank you so much, sir. Please give me that.
So whenever you do something in your life, you all get one chance. But whenever you fail in that one chance, life gives you another chance. But it depends on you that you blast it or you fall down. So Rajvi, very well.
Let's invite our favorite anchor, Mihir Shah.
As everybody knows me, I don't need to give my introduction, but still I will. So my name is Mihir Shah, and till today we were learning English at VIP Academy, and it was our last lecture today. So in today's lecture, I felt like there is still some doubts in my mind. Today, before attending today's lecture, there was a doubt in my mind, like if I can speak English properly or not. Whenever in my school or college, I will go, and if I have to answer in English, then I will be able to it or not. Whenever I have to write answers of long answers of my college, then I will be able to do it or not. But after attending today's lecture, sir cleared my all the doubts. Like sir told us that you can speak today more than 700 sentences today. So it was an amazing thing for me, and like I was so excited for today's class because it's our last class. And after attending it, I feel like now there is no tomorrow, no lecture, no friends, no, I will not meet anyone. Till today I have made a lot of memories with everyone, and it's really great for me. Thank you very much guys for making my my VIP, like VIP. So I love sir. Okay, the way of teaching of sir is something different that I have never seen till today. I have completed my 12th from HB Kapadia school, and till today I have never seen any sir like this. The way of teaching our sir is something different that you will feel motivated, and you will always feel like that I have to go today. Anything matters, if even if flood comes or anything, we will go to VIP Academy. So that's really great. And till today there was only one holiday I have taken. Till today I have attended all the lectures, and it was medical reason, so that's why I took the holiday. Till today I have attended all the lectures, and I will really say everyone that you don't need to take holiday, because it's an amazing lecture, and if you take holiday you will miss a lot of things, a lot of life lessons and everything, and it will be missing all the important things of your life. So I will never say to you to miss any class, and please join VIP Academy. Not like I have joined, but because there's a lot of reasons, but I will tell you some. So the way sir teaches English is something different. So this English with memory techniques and a lot of life lessons of sir lives, and even the students, and the memory technique is very powerful, all the memory techniques. So because of that I can speak English very well now. So I really want to thank our sir, Andy Prajapati sir, and thank you very much guys for listening to me.
Again, have a big hand for our anchor.
Good evening everyone.
Good evening.
So first we introduce ourselves. My name is Abha Trivedi.
My name is Vishwa Patel.
My name is Rohini Parmar.
My name is Vastavi Prajapati.
And today we are going to perform a drama on the title. Are you excited to know the title?
Yes.
But I am not going to tell you. You will tell me after knowing the character's name of our drama. Okay?
Okay.
So those whose faces match, they are siblings. Say wow. Those whose thoughts match, they are friends. Those whose faces match, they are siblings. Those whose thoughts match, they are friends. And those whose neither faces nor thoughts match, they are husband and wife. In the drama, they both are playing the role of husband and wife. She is playing the role of Tantrik Baba, and I am playing two roles. Okay, so first tell your character's name in the drama.
I am playing role of Tantrik Baba. Agadam Bagadam Tigadam Bhutam Bhagam Bhagam.
Jai Jayendra. In the drama, I am playing the role of Jethalal.
Oh. In this drama, my name is Dayaben Tapuke Papa Gada. Hey Mataji.
So now, can you please tell me the title of our drama? Right, Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. So are you excited to see the newest and latest episode of the drama?
Yes.
So let's start. So first time in the history, Babita ji and Jethalal go for watching movie together, and after watching movie together, they come in the housing society, Gokul Dham Society.
Bye Jethaji. See you soon.
Bye, Babita ji.
Now Jethalal goes to his house.
Did you go for watching movie with Babita ji?
Yes, nowadays producer don't make movie, so we can watch with family. So I went there to watch movie with Babita ji. Bring me a glass of water.
Why are you thirsty?
No, I want to check my throat if there is any leakage. Dobby. What have you made? It is not tasty. It tastes like cow dung.
OMG, this man has tasted everything.
Dobby, Satvi fail. Your mother didn't teach you anything?
Why do you involve my mother in this situation?
Satvi fail. If the TV get damaged, so we don't abuse TV. We abuse company.
You always involve my family in every situation.
Dobby, shut up. Jai Jinendra.
Now Jethalal goes to his Gada Electronics shop. Hello, yes, Gada Electronics, Nattu Kaka here. Yes, TV will be delivered. Okay. Yes, Sergi, looking is so worried today. Sergi, what happened? You are looking so worried today.
Yes, I think there is an bhutani in my house. They are behaving so weird.
Oh, don't worry, yaar. I know a Baba whose name is Bako Baba, and he is famous for getting rid of any negative energy or bhutani. So don't worry. At today's evening, I will send him at your home. Don't worry, Sergi. Yes.
Nattu Kaka, you know?
What?
You said it is so low, na?
आज पता चला.
Okay.
Now Jethalal goes to his house.
Oh Magadam Bagadam Bhutam Bhagam. Oh Magadam Bagadam Bhutam Bhagam Bhagam. Oh Magadam Bagadam Bhutam Bhagam Bhagam. Oh Magadam Bagadam Bhutam Bhagam Bhagam. Yes, there is a negative energy in your house.
Oh my God.
Now negative energy in this lemon.
Oh, really? Yes. Feel it.
Yes.
Please observe. Lemon is bleeding.
Now kill her bhutani.
Clapping for Tantric Baba.
Babiji. And Jethaji, please give me 25 lakhs rupees.
Why?
Because I want to buy some jewelry and sarees for my bhutani. Oh, I'm sorry, my wife.
How much? I don't give you.
Please give me.
I don't give you.
I kill her bhutani.
But I don't have money to give
Gaya
you.
Bhabhi. Where is the Jethalal? Oh, Jethalal. Oh, my friend. Hey, you Tantric Baba, what are you doing here? Jethalal chases him, is running.
No, I am
Sit here. You know that he is a fraud Baba.
What
and
are you
he
saying?
Yes, he is fraud Baba and he makes people a fool by using science. See how. This is a chemical and its name is methyl orange. Okay. And you know that in lemon citric acid is present. So this type of fraud Baba injected this chemical into lemon. And when this fraud Baba cut this lemon, what happened? Lemon bleeds. Lemon bleeds.
Yes.
See.
Wow.
And we thought that it's blood. We think that it's blood, but actually it is chemical. So the moral of our drama is that stay away from such Baba because they mislead public. And please stay away from, don't believe in superstition because it can ruin someone's life. Thank you very much for enjoying our drama. Thank you for watching our drama.
I think so that you all will get a call from Asit Mori tomorrow. Okay, Veer. Please let's invite Veer.
Hello everyone, good evening. Good evening. I'm Veer Chauhan and now I'm going to share my experience with VIP Academy. So in the month of March, my board exams got over and at that time I thought that I have 3 months of free time and I should do something productive in it. So I decided to join VIP Academy in order to improve my English. The course is completed now and I have had a wonderful experience here. Naresh Prajapati sir teaches us English using special memory techniques which are not taught anywhere else. These memory techniques not only help the students to learn but also remember the topics of grammar very easily. We are given homework daily which helps us to maintain the consistency in learning English. There are also weekly tests on Saturday which help the students to analyze themselves and also they can get to know where they are lacking and where they need to improve. I am really thankful to Naresh sir for teaching us English in such a unique and understandable way. I could have joined any other academy for learning English too, but I chose to join VIP Academy and I do not regret my decision at all. Thank you everyone for listening to me.
Thank you very much, V, for your wonderful speech.
Last but not least, let's invite Vishwa.
Hey.
Hi friends, good evening.
Good evening.
What are you guys doing? I think you have not taken lunch in the afternoon. Please say louder. Hi friends, good evening. Okay, so my name is Vishwa Patel and today I am going to share my experience with VIP. So are you ready?
Yes.
So before joining VIP, I knew English, but I couldn't learn properly in my school life. And you all knew how I joined VIP because I have already spoken in my last speech, but still I am repeating for all. I have two brothers and they came to India because of my grandpa was in critical condition. That's why they came and they stayed in India for 5 months. During 5 months, some situations created in my life, and due to my career, my brother said to me, you must join any English speaking classes. I said okay, but first name came in my mind VIP Academy, but due to some situations I couldn't tell to everyone, and at that time my mother said me, you should join VIP. I said okay, but my mother said me, first of all listen to me, let's go to VIP, attend the demo and then you decide. After attending demo lecture, I decided to join VIP and I gave exam and I got 27 marks in the exam, and sir permitted to me to join regular course. And seriously guys, I was not able to speak English properly. And after joining this course, when sir told us to speak on random topic, so I said to sir, I can't speak it properly. But sir said me, it's okay, whatever comes in your mind, just speak it. But remember one thing, only English. First, not you Gujarati and then you convert into English and speak. No, just directly English. And guys, I made so many mistakes, but sir always improved my mistake and sir never disappointed me. And sir always appreciated to all students. So it's wonderful thing for me. And after completing this course, I am able to read, write, speak English properly. Now I will be able to give IELTS exam, and I would recommend you guys, please join VIP if you want to become a successful person in every area of your life. So please join this. And sir not taught only formulas, but sir taught so many life lessons. So please join this. And so thank you Naresh sir to taught us amazing things and tricks, and I shall never forget your kindness because you gave me second chance. So thank you so much giving me a valuable time. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you very much Vishwa for your wonderful speech.
Okay, so now let's invite Abadi for RMS, proverb or whatever you want to speak.
So today I'm going to share with all of you my goal. Everyone has some dreams in their life. It was mine also. And one day in our class, sir explained us very well about goal. Then my dream has turned into my goal. So now my goal is my dream. That's amazing. So when I joined VIP Academy and after attending the PD workshop, I have realized that everyone should have at least 2 goals in their life. Then I decided my goals. So my short-term goal is to find a teacher job, high salary teacher job. And second, my long-term goal is to open a science academy in Ahmedabad. And for your kind information, online is still available. And I'm surely that I will achieve my goal by 2028. And because you know nothing is impossible for a determined person, and I am a determined person because I am a student of a determined person. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Thank you very much Abhadi for your wonderful speech.
So now let's invite Rohini.
Yay! Good evening everyone.
Good evening.
If I were the PM of India, what would I do? Okay? If I were the PM of India, my first and foremost priority will be study, education. I think education is the foundation of country. So, if I were the PM of India, I would make sure that every children in city or village get proper and quality education. Second, I would fight against corruption. I think corruption is the biggest problem in the progress of our country. I would make sure that I would make strict laws and use technology to bring transparency in government works. Third, India lives in its village, so I would make sure that villages of India will develop, like roads, rural areas, everything. Hospitals is necessary for a city, so I would make sure that every hospital would be affordable, and I would make sure that make medicine affordable. So thank you for listening to me.
Thank you very much, Rohini, for your wonderful speech.
Hello guys, good evening.
Good evening.
Today I'm going to speak my favorite memory technique. As you know guys, our sir taught us many memory technique and I love all those memory techniques. But among all, my most favorite memory technique is surprise memory technique. Surprise memory technique is like when we see a new word, we get surprised. And I remember when sir taught us this memory technique, he gave us one example and said that you must get surprised, but I didn't. And whenever sir taught us new things, new memory techniques, sir every time told us you must get surprised, you must have facial expression, but also I didn't. But one time I thought sir every time told us you must get surprised, you must apply this memory technique. So one day I applied this memory technique, and literally when I applied this memory technique, I got surprised to see this surprise memory technique. And since then I have been applying this memory technique in all things. I will promise you sir that I will never forget this memory technique and also all memory techniques. And thank you very much for listening to me.
Thank you very much, Astha, for your speech.
So I think so that you guys are getting bored.
Yes.
No. Okay. So let's. Can we sing a song?
Yes. Together.
We all together.
Yes, all. तेरे जैसा यार
कहाँ ऐसा याराना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना।
मेरी
जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे, मुझे ख्वाब से उठा के याद तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना। Now it's enjoying, you know. All of us.
So now, after song, we play drama. Okay. So are you ready for drama?
Yes.
Yes. So drama subject is social media.
Good evening guys.
Good evening.
So today we are going to play a drama and topic is on social media. And so we all knows that in today's era social media is very common and children also use it. So let's create a moment that we all are social media, and I will play as a Snapchat
And I am play is a Instagram.
I will play as a mobile phone.
I will play as a Google.
I will play as a Pinterest.
I am play camera.
I am photo gallery. So
Okay.
yes.
So shall we start, guys?
Yes.
So hello, guys. I am a Google. I know everything, and I am a king of this fake world. And I created by 2 students of California, the state of USA. Thank you.
So guys, I am Instagram. I am very popular in today's generation. In fact, teens to old people, everyone knows me. And I am a Pinterest, and I am proud of myself because I am in everyone's phone. And I don't think that people keeping wallpaper in their phones other than mine.
I am camera. Other people can without food and water, but I am
said that people cannot live without me.
And I'm a Snapchat and I'm the best way to talk between friends. I said best friends, and I'm filled with type of filters. And I also don't think that people click their photo by without me.
I am photo gallery and every day girls open me to see their photos. And as far as camera is concerned, they can't live without me.
Hey, and I am mobile fun and they are my children. They think I'm very popular and famous. But think, if I were not there, then where would you all be?
Oh, hello mobile. What are you saying? Whatever you are, but I am always important for Gen Z.
Yes.
People how can live without me?
Guys, whatever you are, but in today's era, everyone likes me more than you because I'm very aesthetic.
Oh, hello. Shut up. But think that if camera were not, who cares them? And because either Insta or Pinterest or anything, they can't live without me. And I'm the bridge between friends' daily life. Whatever people do in their life, they never forgets me. They always remember me, take snaps and sends everyone.
Hey guys, why are you fighting? You are only for creative for fun. But me, I'm a big book of knowledge. And I always say to people, wherever you have any type of doubts, just open me. I will correct you.
Oh my God, why are you fighting? I am a main part. Without me, where would you all be go? Yes.
Hey, thank you.
Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Veer Chauhan and now I'm going to share my favorite memory technique. So my favorite memory technique is tester memory technique, and it is used to determine the tense of any sentence by putting a specific word in it. So before learning this technique, I used to think that Gujarati sentences like "હું બહાર જઉં છું" and "હું બહાર જઈ રહ્યો છું" mean the same, and I think most of you also think the same. But after learning this memory technique, I have realized that they both have different meanings, and we can't interchange them while speaking. So that is why this is my favorite memory technique. Thank you everyone for listening to me.
Now the next participant is Vaidehi.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Vaidehi Rawal and today I am going to speak proverbs. So please listen to me carefully. All is well that stands well, Allah good if we are good, and apology keeps the doctor away. A word is enough for the wise, nothing is impossible for a determined person. A work is worship, work while you work, play while you play, service to mankind is service to God. It is never too late to man is maker of his own faith, a will find a way, something is better than nothing. Human being changes life by changing his attitude, you can if you believe you can. Quitters never swing, winners never quit, our last mistake is our best teacher. Persist until you succeed. It is too late to dig a well when the house is on the fire. Man is a bundle of desire. Nothing results without speaking out. Barking dog seldom bites. Where there is a will, there is a way. The highway of success has never been smooth. Happiness is along the road. It is not at the end of the road. Well begun is a half done. Thank you so much for listening to me.
Now it's a drama. So the title is emotional drama.
Hello everyone, I am Veer Chauhan.
My name is Priyansh Patel. I am Jigar Parmar.
And my name is Mihir Shah.
I am Keval Bachchan.
So now let's begin with our drama.
Okay, so Jigar is a boy from a village fighting against all odds, dreaming of becoming an IAS officer. Mihir, a rich city boy, tired of life but deeply lonely inside. Keval, from a middle class family, broken under the weight of family responsibilities. Priyansh, an engineering dropout fighting depression but refusing to give up. Veer, a poor boy who wishes to become a filmmaker. Okay, so Act 1. Clash, not meeting.
Hey friend, what is your name?
My name is Mihir Shah.
My name is Keval Bachchan.
My name is Priyansh
I
Patel.
am Veer Chauhan.
I tell you strictly, I am not here to make friends. I am fight against my study and my dedication.
Why struggle so much? Just enjoy life, man.
You can enjoy, you can enjoy because you don't have to pay EMIs. Mother's medicine, sister's fees, all on me.
Yes, he is right. We all are running, but no one knows where the finish line is.
Some of us are not even said that we are in a race.
Act 2. Beginning of burning.
I am become an IS officer because my mother at my home the roof is a leak, and my mother say you don't leak your dreams because you are determined person.
I have everything, but no one asks me how I really feel.
I wake up every day and in that fearing that there might be no food at home.
Depression ate me alive. The doctor said take medicines, but where is the bandage for my soul?
Hey brother, Priyansh, the way મરવાનું તો આપણે નસીબમાં છે ત્યારે મરવાનું જ છે, but life is a fight and you are a fighter, so please don't depression.
Okay.
The one who wanted to end it yesterday is today my biggest support.
Now, but we were all our strangers, but now we are each other's crutches.
One day, someone broken will watch my film and feel less lonely.
Act 3. Turning point. Act 4. Become the fire. All for working hard on their dreams. Jigar studying, Keval doing an online job, Mihir shooting a motivational video, Priyansh writing an diary, Veer recording a film.
Okay guys, so we all have achieved a success by hard work, and the tagline is life is not about just falling down. Life is about falling down and again standing up and achieving your dream, and the fire in your inside your gives you the motivation to do something. So here is our word.
And after hard work, I want to become an IS officer.
And after doing so many hard works, I became an influencer and I have millions of followers.
I have started up and my startup name is Middle Class Magic.
I have launched my book named Alive and Burning.
Remember guys, real heroes don't wear capes. They wear scars and keep living. I have debuted a film at a film festival.
And we believe in nothing is impossible.
For a determined person.
So thank you very much.
You are thinking you are not being emotional, right?
Yes.
Okay. So one shairi. रास्ते खुद बनते हैं हौसले जब साथ होते हैं. रास्ते जब खुद बनते हैं हौसले जब साथ होते हैं, मंजिलें भी झुक जाती है जब इरादे मजबूत होते हैं.
So let's invite Madhvi for speech.
Yes, and a big hand for her.
Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
I am Madhvi Patel and I am going to speak how I joined VIP. Actually, during my college vacation, I thought I should improve my English because English is important everywhere. But I couldn't speak English fluently. So I talked to my mother about this. While we were discussing, one of my neighbors came to my house to ask my mother for shopping. But she heard our conversation. So she asked me what happened and I shared my problem. Then she told me, there is one class near Akbarnagar Circle, VIP Academy. So at first I thought I should visit this academy. So next day on 12th of April, I came here with my father in the morning. When I entered the office, Hardik sir was available there. My father and I inquired and felt very good. After that, Hardik sir took my entrance exam and I got 34 marks. Then Andy sir came and told me first I should attend one demo lecture and then decide what should I do. So next day I attended one demo lecture and I felt it was very impressive. So I took admission on the same day. And now I can see I have taken best decision of my life for learning English. And its credit goes to my Andy sir. Thank you so much Andy sir for learning English differently. Thank you so much for listening to me.
beautiful speech. Have a big hand for her, guys.
So now let's invite our gym boy Priyanshu.
Hello friends, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Priyanshu Panchal and today I am going to speak how I joined VIP Academy. So, when my 12th was running, I had already decided that I will join English spoken classes. So, when my 12th completed, my father told me that start searching about English spoken classes in our area. So, I searched on Google English spoken classes near me. Many classes came on my screen, but I searched more and read reviews online. And I was clear that I will join only that classes in which English spoken is taught, not IELTS. So the nearest and the most convenient was VIP Academy. So my father and I went there for inquiry, and it was the first place where we went for inquiry for English spoken. And in the first time, my father and I both liked it very much and its presentation. And the second point, when I was giving my exam, the lecture was going on. I had noticed that side of everyone was coming on the stage and speaking one by one. At that point, I decided that I will join VIP Academy, and finally I joined. And as you can see, I can speak English very fluently, and it's all credit goes to men who helped me in improving my English. I want to thank Mr. Andy Prajapati for helping me improving my English. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Thank you very much, Priyanshu, for your wonderful speech.
So guys, now do you know who is next?
No.
I will give you one hint. Roshni, यार ज़ूका.
Yes.
Hello friends, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Roshni Solanki and today I want to speak about how I joined VIP Academy. So one day while I was going to Chandkheda and one of my friends met me and told me, "Do you want to learn English class?" I said yes, but I don't know which is the best English class. She told me, "I know, I will send the message to you." And I said, "Thank you so much for information sharing me." And after 2 days, my friend sent the message for learning English class. And she told me, VIP Academy is the best for learning English. And demo lecture is free. So I thought I should attend the demo lecture. And after attending demo lecture, I went there with my mom. And there the receptionist took my entrance exam, and finally I got just 17 marks out of 50. So I was very hurt, and I joined VIP Academy. First of all, thank you so much Mr. Andy Prajapati sir for improving my English, and I am very happy to say that I can speak English fluently and confidently, and its credit goes to Mr. Andy sir. Teaching is immaterial, but the way Andy sir teaches, that is something which I like the most. And before joining VIP, my English was very poor. Now I can speak English fluently and differently. Thank you so much for listening to me.
Really? Thank you very much, Roshni.
So the next participant is Bharti.
Yes.
Invite Bharti.
Hello friends, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Bharti and I am going to speak how I joined VIP. My 10th board exam was completed in the month of March, and I had time till the result would be declared. So I thought I use this time to learn something new. My English was poor, so I wanted to learn English. I searched on Google and I got the information about VIP Academy through Google, and I called on the number given in it. So the staff of VIP Academy answered my call, and I asked about information for course. Then he suggested to me, "You should come here." So I attend the demo lecture, and I like the sir Memotech of teaching way, and I like of the staff of behavior. I was confused when I got information, but after attending demo lecture, I got clarity. After coming home, I discussed with my husband about English speaking course, and I decided to join VIP Academy. 1 week later, I went to the VIP Academy and I filled the admission form and I joined the class. Before joining classes, I could not speak English, but after joining class,
I can speak English fluently, and its credit goes to our sir Andy sir. Thank you sir for teaching us. You can if you believe you can. Nothing is impossible for determined person. Thank you for your guidance. Thank you for your hard work, your dedication. I appreciate your commitments to your students. You have made a difference in my life. Thank you very much for listening.
Thank you very much, Bharti, for your beautiful speech.
Now, Riddhi will continue. So, Riddhi, please come here.
First speech.
Hello friends, good evening. My name is Riddhi Sukhadia. Today I want to speak about how I joined VIP Academy. I joined VIP Academy because I was interested in learning English. I understand English but I felt hesitant to speak in English. So one day I thought that I will learn English for speaking and talking with any person. That's why I was searching on Google for the best spoken English class in Ahmedabad, and there was VIP Academic name in the top 10 list. So first I visited VIP Academic because it was nearby my house. After visiting VIP Academic, I really liked their presentation because first they take exam, and after they decide on the basis of exam the level of English, and then they offer the course like basic, regular or advanced. But in other classes they give direct admission. That's reason I attend demo lecture in VIP. In demo lecture I knew about that they were teaching English by memory technique. First time in India English is taught with Memotech, and that academy's name is VIP Academic. Teaching itself is immaterial, but the way Andy sir teaches, that is something which I like the most. Before joining VIP Academic, I could not speak English fluently, but now I can speak, and it's all credit goes to our Andy sir. Our sir taught that nothing is possible for determined person, and it was 100% proof for me. Thank you very much sir for teaching us impressively English. Thank you very much everyone for listening to me.
Thank you very much, Riddhi.
So now, evening batch drama, best friends. So let's invite them.
Yes. Hello, good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
My name is Krishna Chawda.
I am Riddhi.
My name is Bharti.
I am Ritvi Mehta.
I am Madhvi.
I am Roshni.
Today we will play drama, and subject is
Importance of
Friendship.
Okay, so let's start our drama. Okay. Here two group of two friends. One group is bad and second group is good. Roshni and Madhvi, both the friends are bad group. Bharti and Riddhi, both the friends are good friends and good group. Krishna will play the role of first teacher and second interviewer. Hello class, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
You all are fine.
Okay, so do you know now today is our last day of our class?
Yes, ma'am.
After 1 week you have exam. So please be ready for your exam, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hey, whatever teacher said, guys, ignore her. Let's play.
Hey, stop it. Our exam is coming and now you still fearless?
I think we should learn.
Hey, silent class, don't talk each other.
Oh, teacher, please stop it. Now we are adult. We know. What should we do?
Hey, stop it.
Ma'am, please give us some tips for
play.
exam.
Teacher gives advice to Riddhi and Bharti to pay attention, but Madhvi and Roshni are talking with others. Okay? Okay, so bye-bye class. Good. Best of luck for your exam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Class and before exam, Riddhi and Bharti are doing preparation for exam. Madhvi and Roshni are doing time pass with phone and passing comments on Riddhi and Bharti.
Look to idiots. They are wasting their time for sake of a book and useless marks.
Yeah, you are smart. We will make our future with games.
Yes, we will become great gamer. Let's play.
If you both don't want to learn, so please, guy, keep away from us.
Yes, don't disturb us.
Shut up, guys. You don't know anything.
After getting result.
Hey, Bharti, how many marks did you get?
I got 97%.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. And you?
I got 95%.
Congratulations.
Let's go there and ask them.
Let's go.
Hey guys, what about your result?
I got just 35%.
I got failed.
What? What happened, guys? You both were very intelligent then?
Just shut up. I don't care. Let's go, Roshni.
Actually, now I feel I should study very well.
Yes, you are right, Roshni. Let's come with us.
Yes,
Let's come with us.
Don't poke your dirty nose in between. Let's go, Roshni. We will become a great gamer. Let's go. I am your friend. Trust me.
Okay, you are my friend, so
Yes,
I
let's
trust you.
go.
Let's go for gaming.
Let them.
Roshni and Madhvi are playing games. Riddhi and Bharti are doing further studies after 4 to 5 years. Hey Roshni, we couldn't get in game. We lost everything.
Yes, because of your. I lost my one eye and I cannot see with right eye.
Yes, I know. I'm sorry. Actually, I heard somewhere of interview, so we should go for interview. May I come in, ma'am? Yes, please come in. Please have a seat. Thank you, ma'am. Yes. Tell me about yourself. I am Madhvi Patel and now I am searching the job. Okay. What's your qualification? Actually, ma'am, 12th failed. What? Yes, ma'am. And what do you think? I will give you job. Please, ma'am. Please do something. Hey, I can't do anything. Please, ma'am. Please, ma'am. Go. You can leave. Next.
Come in, ma'am.
Yes, please come in. Please have a seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Roshni and I will get the job.
Okay. What's your qualification?
I have just passed 12th from 35% days.
Are you mad? Okay, leave it. Tell me, what can you do for our company?
Actually, I don't know about any work.
Really? Sorry. It's really disgusting. I can't do anything for you. You can leave.
Please, ma'am.
No, I can't do. Sorry, you can leave. On the way, Riddhi and Bharti meet Madhvi and Roshni.
Hey guys, how are you?
Not
Not
bad.
well. And you?
What happened, guys?
Nothing. What about you?
We are fine.
Okay.
What are you doing nowadays?
Nothing. Just searching a job.
Oh my god, you didn't do further study? Yes, I did not because of Madhvi.
Hey guys, do you know I am a CA and Bharti is IS officer?
So what? We can also leave them. Let's go, Roshni.
Yes, sorry, I will not come with you.
Yes, you are right, Roshni. That's why I told you that don't stay with Madhvi, but you stay. Now you can see you lost your everything.
Yes, you are right. I lost my one eye, my everything, my future, my career. Now I have realized why my parents told me keep a good friends and make a good friends.
Very good, Roshni. We are with you. We will support you. Let's go.
Let's come with us.
Hey, Roshni, don't go. Don't worry. We will do.
Sorry, I will not come with you.
Please,
Let's
Roshni,
break
don't.
the bad friendship. Goodbye.
Let's come with
Please,
us.
Roshni. Please, Roshni. I am sorry for everything. Please, come back, my friend.
I think I should not leave her alone. She is my best friend. Wait, friends.
What are you doing, Roshni?
Don't cry, my friend. I am always with you.
Really?
We will become a successful person in our life.
Hey Roshni, what are you saying? She is a bad girl. She spoiled your future.
Yes. Leave her alone and let's go us.
No. If we spoiled our career, we will become we will make our future with right.
We don't trust you.
Yes. Yes, you are right, Riddhi. But because of Roshni, we will give her one chance. But on condition that she has a promise that she will change herself and do hard work.
Yes, friends, I promise. I will do hard work and I will change myself.
Yeah, my friends, let's go, buddy, to
Yes.
make our future bright together.
So don't say, be sad, be happy. I have a good news for both of you.
Oh, really? What?
Please tell us.
In my company, there are 2 vacancies for accountant.
Oh, but I don't know accountancy.
Don't worry, friends. My sister know accountancy, and first she will teach you, and then you can go to this joint company.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys, for giving me this opportunity.
It's our pleasure. Now we are friends.
Yes.
So guys, you can see we must stay away from the bad people. But if they people be our best friend, then we should help them for changing themselves.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you
guys.
so much, guys.
Okay, so now let's invite Vansh for your speech.
Yes. Let's go.
Hello friends, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Vans and today I am going to speak how I joined VIP Academy. One day when I was at my home, while I am watching TV, my father's phone rang. It was called from my father's client. I told my father and mute the TV. My father picked up the call and started speaking in English. Then my father finished the talk. I asked my father, how can you speak English very fluently? Did you join any academy? My father said, yes, I joined VIP Academy for learning English. Then I decided to learn English. Then I told my father I want to learn English. So we came here. We got information. The receptionist told us to attend free demo lecture. I attend free demo lecture and I really like it. Then I joined VIP Academy. Now I can speak English very well. Thank you for listening to me.
Thank you very much, Vansh, for your speech.
So let's now invite another participant, Bhargav.
Hello friends, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Bhargav Prajapati. Today I am going to speak how I joined VIP Academy. During my 10th vacation, many people suggested me that I should do some courses. I thought my English was very poor, so I decided to join an English speaking academy. So I started searching best place for learning English. And my father told me that VIP Academy is best for learning English. So we went there and the staff member explained very nicely, and I also attended a free demo lecture and I finally joined VIP Academy. My course is not over yet, but now I am able to speak English very confidently. This credit goes to my sir, Andy Prajapati sir. So thank you very much sir, teaching us differently. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Thank you very much, Bhargav, for your wonderful speech.
So now let's invite Rudvi for your speech.
Hello guys, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Rutvi Mehta. I am very happy to be a part of this academy. I joined this academy in a very special way. The academy is right in front of my house, so I had always seen it. One day my father attended motivational workshop by Mr. Sneh Desai. During that workshop, my father met the sir from VIP Academy. After that conversation, my father told me about this place and encouraged me to join. I visited the academy, then I met the receptionist. I felt that this is the right place to learn English and improve my English. Then I joined classes. I enjoyed classes very well, and I believe that with regular practice and guidance from my sir, I more fluent and confident in English. Thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you very much for your speech.
Okay, so now let's invite Jaspal.
Good evening friends.
Good evening.
My name is Jaspal. Today I want to share my experience about how I joined VIP Academy, a very important place for learning English. A few months ago, I started thinking about improving my English. The reason was simple. My college placements are coming soon, and I want to be confident during my interviews and group discussions. I knew that English is very important, but it's not for the job, but it's also for personal growth. In fact, my father had been telling me for the last 6 months to join an English class, and he always said that this is the right time to build the communication skills, and his advice was always in my mind. One day I finally decided to search for a good English class, and that's when I found VIP Academy. I noticed that it has very good reviews and rating online, and it has very good views on its YouTube channel. And then I decided to visit VIP Academy, and there I met a receptionist. She explains me about all the courses, and the best thing is that sir teaches English using memory technique, and that was something new and interesting for me. And then I finally decided to join VIP Academy. and now I am happy. I feel happy that it was my right decision, and I am learning English, gaining knowledge, and preparing myself for the better future. Thank you VIP Academy, thank you Andy sir, thank you everyone for listening to me.
Thank you very much, Jashpal.
So now let's invite Abhishek.
Yes. Clap for him, yeah, guys.
Hello guys, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Abhishek Panchal. Today I am to speak how I joined VIP Academy. Before 1 year, my mother and I went to the VIP Academy because my father told me to do English speaking course because my English was so poor. So I went there, and my English college timing and computer class timing were not matching, so I could not join VIP Academy. After 7 months, again I told to my father I wanted to join English class, and my father said yes, why not, let's go to VIP Academy. Then my father and I went to the VIP Academy, and receptionist took my entrance exam. I got just 14 marks out of 15. Then I started my English course. And I also attended demo lecture. After attending demo lecture, I thought I took best decision to join VIP Academy. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Thank you very much, Abhishek.
So now guys, do you know who is the PM of India? So now let's invite Modi.
Yes, Share Modi.
Hello friends, good evening.
Good evening.
Today I want to speak about how I joined VIP Academy. I want to go to out of country, but my English was very poor. So I joined VIP Academy, and after this course I will prepare IELTS exam. Thank you for listening to me.
Thank you very much, Share. Okay, now guys, I think you all are bored.
Yes.
One शायरी. कुछ इमोशनल हो जाए, ठीक है? कुछ लोग जिंदगी में आते हैं, कुछ यादें छोड़ जाते हैं। कुछ लोग जिंदगी में आते हैं, कुछ यादें छोड़ जाते हैं। आज हम भी वहीं पर जी रहे हैं जहां दोस्त अलविदा कह जाते हैं। Okay, so let's invite our last drama of this performance.
Yes.
So the subject is importance of English.
Hello friends, good evening.
Good evening.
Today we are going to play a drama on importance of English. So, my name is Priyanshu Panchal.
I am Abhishek Panchal.
My name is Jaspal.
My name is Rams.
I will play the role of Marco, he will play the role of James, and he will play the role of interviewer, and he will play iconic role of Sheila. So let's start the drama.
This is scene before Marco learns English from VIP Academy.
So, gentlemen, first of all introduce yourself.
क्या सर?
Oh, तो तुम्हें इंग्लिश नहीं आती?
नहीं सर, मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती, हमें सिर्फ हिंदी आती है।
ठीक है, अपना परिचय दीजिए।
मेरा नाम मार्को है और मेरे पिता का नाम जेम्स है, और मेरे को वीडियो गेम खेलना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है और मैं घूमता रहता हूँ।
बहुत बढ़िया मार्को, बहुत बढ़िया। अगर तुम इसी तरह से इंटरव्यू दोगे तो पूरे सिटी में तुम्हें कोई जॉब नहीं देगा। निकल जाओ यहाँ से।
सर, वन चांस सर।
नो।
सर साला ये इंटरव्यूअर कहाँ से आते थे पता नहीं, इंग्लिश कुछ आता नहीं है, कुछ झाड़ करते हैं और हमें ऐसा चाहते हैं कि हम भी इंग्लिश में बात करें।
Then Marco goes to meet his friend Sheila and James, but it is a catch. See, Marco has crush on Sheila.
अरे यार, आज भी मेरा इंटरव्यू अच्छा नहीं गया।
Why bro? What happening?
अरे भाई, अब तू भी इंग्लिश मत झाड़।
अरे भाई, इंग्लिश तो बहुत जरूरी है, जॉब के लिए भी और पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट के लिए भी इंग्लिश बहुत काम आती है।
मैं ये इंग्लिश नहीं सीखने वाला, मैं तो सिर्फ हिंदी और गुजराती में ही बात करूंगा।
Hi Marco, how was your interview? What?
अच्छा नहीं गया, मुझे सिर्फ हिंदी आती है और वहाँ पे सब इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं।
You don't know how to speak English? I did not expect this from you, Marco. I don't be friends who you don't know how to speak English. Go on, let's go, Marco. James.
And that night Marco.
मैं इन सबको बता दूंगा कि मैं कितना पावरफुल हूँ. मैं इन सबको इंग्लिश सीख के बता दूंगा. देख लेना आप लोग.
Then Marco joined very important place for learning English, means VIP, and he does practice day and night. This is seen after Marco learns English from VIP Academy.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come in.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Marco. So, first of all, introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Priyanshu Panchal. I am 23 years old. I have completed my BTech from LD College of Engineering and in Computer Science. And I live at Kota in Ahmedabad. And my father is serviceman, my mother is a housewife. And I want to become a very successful person in my life. And I am very happy by the grace of God. Thank you very much for listening to me, sir.
Well done, Marco. I like your confidence.
Thank you, sir. I promise you, I will have confidence and fluency like an American and work ethic like an Indian.
So, Marco, when are you joining?
From tomorrow, sir.
Okay. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you, sir.
Then Marco goes to meet his friend Sheila and James.
Oh, you came again?
Oh, shut up. I am not here to talk with you. I am here to talk with James. So don't poke your dirty nose in between. Oh, James, do you know I got my job and my salary is 24 lakh per annum.
Oh, this is great. You should give us party, bro.
Let's go, bro. Why are you coming with us?
You told that, let's go.
I told let's go, bro. And I have heard somewhere कि तुम हिंदी बोलने वाले लड़कों के साथ दोस्ती नहीं करती हो. Oh, darling, I was just kidding. Without you, how can we enjoy the party?
Oh dear, sorry. Today I have realized I should not have spoken so.
It's okay, baby. बड़े-बड़े क्लासेस में छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती है. Let's go and chill. Thank you very much for watching our drama.
Amazing.
Okay guys, thank you very much guys, all of you, for your support and for coming here. Thank you very much. Give a big hands to yourself guys. So now everyone's speech and all drama is done, but something is incomplete, you know.
Yes.
So our sir, Andy Prajapati, has organized this function, and without his speech and some, you know, 2 words, it is incomplete. So let's invite our sir, Andy Prajapati.
Yes, please.
Surprise. Okay. So let me start with something different. It is said, guys, कि समंदर अधूरा है किनारों के बिना और ये फंक्शन अधूरा है आपके स्माइल के बिना. So कहते हैं कि आपके शहर का कि आपके आने से रोशनी आ गई, लेकिन रोशनी तो ऑलरेडी है. So let me start. Today is a very special day, and on the eve of this wonderful day, farewell function, specially of 2 batches, morning 9:30 and
Evening
5:30. Yes. So it's a day I shall never forget in my life. A day that has got amazing memories, amazing lessons, amazing students. Yes. Guys, I still remember when you stepped into this academy. Some of you were shy, some of you were introverts, some of you were dreamers, and some of you were thinking whether what would happen, will I be able to speak in English, and you have, in fact, you had many things in your mind. Yes.
Yes.
But today, I can see, and you have already seen, that you all are confident, bold, courageous, and most important part is a determined one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And guys, such a determined person who believes, not only believes but does, that nothing is As a director of this academy, and of course as a teacher, I have seen that whenever I taught any topic, and it was difficult, but when you understood, I could see the sparkles in your eyes. I also witnessed, guys, yes, you all had that joy when you understood, you made it possible, which earlier you thought it was impossible. So that's really great thing. And yes, speaking in front of camera, especially playing drama, is not an easy task. Many people, you must have seen even in your society and of course in your school, speaking in front of camera means very difficult task, next to impossible. But today you have proved that nothing is impossible. So that's really a great achievement. And seeing your performance, especially each and every person, whether it is about VIP Academy, I mean the experience, or about how you joined VIP Academy, or playing drama, or speaking RMS, or speaking proverbs, you all have done a great job, unbelievable performance. So clap for yourself. And as far as anchoring is concerned, I gave them speech yesterday, but Mihir and Krishna, they really did a great amazing job. So let's clap for them. And I would like to thank each and everyone who has made this function a grand success, directly or indirectly. Yes, so let me start with my staff members, especially Khushi and Hardik sir. No doubt he is not here, but he indirectly supported, so we must clap for those. And especially my BF, can you imagine BF? Better half. My life, my wife Amita, and my son, who is not here, but he is also supported by doing one or the other thing, Chanakya. Yes. And I want to thank your parents, especially your parents who trusted, and they admitted you, if married, then of course your husband. They trusted all of us, our staff, our academy, and especially me. So I want to thank all of them, and you must clap for them. Come on. And guys, how can I forget those people, those maybe friends, relatives, whoever has given the reference of VIP, guys. Just imagine if they had not given you the reference of VIP, you would not have achieved these many successful things. Yes or no?
Yes.
So I humbly appeal each and everyone, once the function is over, just call them and say thank you, a big thank you, so that the love you can convey to them. So let us clap for all those people. Yes. And how can we forget the people who are sitting in front of you, who made impossible possible, especially you guys. Clap for yourself. Time I would not be able to tell the name of each and everyone, but you all have created the stories, different stories, which I will carry with me. जिंदगी के अपने वो स्टोरी बनाई है जो मैं हमेशा आपके मेरे साथ रखने वाला हूँ. And last thing I want to share, yes, in life you will have ups and downs. Like some of you wanted to speak very confidently, but it may happen. Remember one thing, success is a journey, not a destination. Success is a journey, not a destination. Yes, and the highway of success has never been smooth, but you have made it very smooth now. Yes. So, the story which is very close to my heart, let me share in a particular language so that the message is conveyed in a proper way. Yes. I visited one of the best places of Rajasthan, and it is starting with J. Can you imagine?
Jaipur.
Yeah, it's not Jaipur but Jaisalmer. And one movie was made from the name Nanhe Jaisalmer. It was 2026, of course not possible. 2006 when I visited the place first time in my life with my wife and son, Jaisalmer. It is a deserted area, मतलब हिंदी में क्या कहेंगे रण को? रेगिस्तान, यस। और वहाँ गर्मी भी ज़्यादा और ठंडी भी ज़्यादा होती है। तो मुझे याद है दोस्तों, इट वाज दिवाली एंड इट वाज वेरी कोल्ड, सो आई थॉट लेट मी हैव अ कप ऑफ टी, एंड दैट टाइम द टी कॉस्ट ओनली 2 rupees कटिंग, यस। सो आई वेंट टू वन ऑफ द टी स्टॉल्स, एंड वो टी स्टॉल वाला था, वो वहाँ पानी की भी बहुत शॉर्टेज रहती है। पूरा मतलब कौन सा एरिया, रेगिस्तान, गुजराती में क्या कहते हैं, सो आई वेंट टू, इट वाज इन द इवनिंग, और मैं गया और चाय वाले को बोला कि भाई 1 कटिंग चाय दीजिए। उन्होंने दिया, और वहाँ आप जानते हैं कि जब रेगिस्तान होता है तो वहाँ बफेलोज कैन नॉट सर्वाइव लिव, मतलब जिंदा नहीं रह सकती गर्मी में। तो वहाँ जो दूध मिलता है वो कौन से एनिमल का होगा, यस, कैमल एंड काउस। तो ऐसा नहीं कि काऊ का मिल्क अभी तो आई ड्रिंक, बट उस दिनों में आई नेवर यूज्ड टू हैव द टी ऑफ मिल्क ऑफ काऊ। तो गाय थी, उसके दूध की बनी हुई चाय थी, और मैंने टेस्ट किया, आई डिडंट लाइक, तो मैंने आई थ्रू इट डस्टबिन में फेंक दी। सेकेंड टाइम से इट, सर भैया मतलब चाय बनाइए, फिर से बनाई, फिर से टेस्ट की, अच्छी नहीं, आई थ्रू इट। और तीसरी बार चाय बनाने से पहले मैंने कहा कि भैया कैसी चाय बनाई है, मतलब है ना, ऑर्डर दिया, और जब टेस्ट किया फिर से वही, तो मैंने कहा कि भैया कैसी चाय बनाई है, चाय में मज़ा ही नहीं आता। तब वो व्यक्ति ने, वो अनपढ़ व्यक्ति था, शायद वो 2 दिन से पानी की कमी की वजह से नहाया होगा कि नहीं वो भी पता नहीं, बट वो व्यक्ति ने जो बताया वो इतना अमेजिंग है दोस्तों, कि ज़िंदगी में जब भी आप डाउनफॉल फील करो, जब भी आप थोड़ा अपसेट हो, सैड हो, वो चीज़ याद करो, और 1 2 3 एंड यू विल बी एक्साइटेड। वो बंदे ने कहा, इतना ज़ोरदार लेसन था कि MBA मैंने 2010 में कंप्लीट किया, उस वक्त भी इतना शायद मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, उतनी बढ़िया चीज़ वो अनपढ़ व्यक्ति ने बताई। सो आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन नोइंग? जब मैंने कहा कि भैया चाय कैसी बनाइए, चाय में मजा नहीं आता, तब उन्होंने कहा कि साहब मजो आतो नहीं, मजो लेनो पड़तो है। मजो आतो नहीं, मजो मतलब मजा आती नहीं, मजा। That was really an amazing thing until I learned the amazing lesson of जीवन विद्या। वो जिंदगी में जब भी मैं डाउन फॉल या तो डाउन फील करता था, मैं खुद बोलता था मजो आतो नहीं, मजो। तो आज के बाद मानो पढ़ाई में मजा नहीं आई तो क्या बोलना है, मैथ्स हार्ड है, क्या बोलना है, मजो। मम्मी ने खाना बनाया जो आपका फेवरेट नहीं है, तो खाने से पहले मजो। तो this is the thing that I wanted to share, and yes, once again I want to thank every one of you for making this function an amazing memory. Yes, so I shall never forget, of course, your kindness, of course your commitment, of course your love, of course your respect, and yes, especially the cake and the gift and everything. देखो कोई स्पीच दे और मजा नहीं आता, क्या बोल रहे बोलो मजा। As I told you, to lack of time, I would not be able to speak the name of each and every one, but you all are very close to my heart, and yes, whenever you get success, always let us know by sending a text message, or maybe a WhatsApp message, or maybe a letter or email or anything. And yes, the day I get or we get the success news from you, that day will be the happiest day of my life. At last I would say is yes, कि फूलों की हर कलियां खुशबू दे आपको, सूरज की हर किरण रोशनी दे आपको, हम तो केवल बधाई ही दे सकते हैं, देने वाला हर खुशी दे आपको, देने वाला हर खुशी दे आपको। That's it. Once again, I want to thank each and everyone for making this impossible thing possible, making this a grand success which the new generation will always remember. Seeing your performance, especially the speeches were really awesome, the dramas were even better, and of course other performances. So clap for everybody. Thank you very much, and let us clap for Ashwin Bhai, who has. If I forget somebody's name, kindly forgive me, because it is not so that I don't want to tell the name, but the thing is that we don't have enough time, and I want you to enjoy other things. That's
Yes.
So thank you so much for trusting us, joining VIP Academy, and wishing you all the best for the bright future. और लास्ट में दोस्तों जिंदगी में ऐसा काम करना कि आपके पेरेंट्स की आंखों में आंसू हो, लेकिन वो आंसू खुशी के।
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you, and yes, અમારી એકેડેમી અમદાવાદમાં વાડજમાં છે, તો તમે આવીને વિઝિટ પણ કરી શકો છો. Thank you very much. Thank you.